Let us create another solid crane hook. The drawing shows a center curve which is to be used as a trajectory. 4 sections are to be used. First section DD is a circle of 20 units dia. The second section BB is an oblong. The third section EE is a circle of 20 units dia. The fourth section is the same as section EE. Please note that section BB is having 4 number of entities and vertices, whereas section DD and EE is a single continuous curve. So according to the rule, circle is to be divided into 4 number of entities. Let us exercise this in Creo. As we have already seen in the last tutorial that the trajectory for swept blend is to be sketched prior to operating the swept blend tool. So take the sketch tool from datum group and sketch the trajectory as shown in the drawing. The trajectory consists of 3 entities, 2 arcs and a circle, 2 arcs and a line which are tangential to one another. Then place the required dimensions which are to be edited using the modify tool. Select the dimensions, right click, modify the values as per the drawing. Press the OK button. Ctrl D to see the trajectory in the 3D view. Keeping the trajectory selected, take the swept blend tool, sections, sketch. The sketching plane for the section will be generated perpendicular to the trajectory at the start point. Start point is an arrow mark which is indicated on the trajectory. Now since section BB is an oblong which has 4 number of entities and vertices, your first job is to divide the circle into 4 number of entities. For that you sketch 2 center lines at an angle of 45 degrees and use the divide tool to divide the circle into 4 parts as we have done in the blend tutorial, parallel blend tutorial. Now insert the second section. Select the point tangential to both the arcs. The point is highlighted on the screen. Select the point, take the sketch. The software generates a plane which is perpendicular to the trajectory at that point. Ctrl D to orient the section in the 3D view. Draw 2 circles. Align tangent to both the circles. Modify the center distance of the circles. Specify the radius values of both the circles. One is 17.5 units and another is 14 units. Draw a line which is tangent to both the circles. Draw a line which is tangent to both the circles. Trim the inside portion of the circle and complete the section. Note that this section already has 4 number of entities and vertices, so this section is not to be divided into any number of entities and vertices. It is because of this section that we are dividing all the other 3 sections into 4 number of entities. The preview shows you a seamlessly connected circle and oblong. Insert the third section. Select the third point tangential to the small curve and the line highlighted on the screen. Go to the sketch tool. The software will generate a sketching plane perpendicular to the trajectory at that point. Draw a circle, divide it into 4 number of entities. Since the oblong shown in section BB has 4 number of entities and vertices, so all the sections involved in swept blend should also have 4 entities and vertices. Divide the circle as shown. Press the OK button. Control D, the preview shows a solid which is joined by 3 sections now. Insert the fourth section at the topmost point of the trajectory. Sketch tool, since this is the last section of the trajectory, you need not to select the point. Note that the start and end point are auto selected by the software. You don't have to select the start and end point. Then repeat the prior section EE on this sketching plane. Note, you cannot use any projection tools. The section is to be redrawn physically. Draw the section exactly as which you have drawn on the section EE. Divide it into 4 number of parts. Please be careful about the start point of the section. Press the OK button, and now you can see a swept blend solid which is blended by joining 4 sections and a trajectory as shown in your drawing. Press the Ctrl D button to bring the solid to its default orientations. I hope you enjoyed the crane hook of the swept blend tutorial. You have learned something new today. Thank you.